Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you are in the mood to talk about makeup, please subscribe. I'm in the mood to talk about this one, Win Beauty by Serena Williams. Yeah, this is another celebrity product. Let's see if it is good. I like the packaging. It's nice and bright. Look at that. You can get an idea of what your shade is. This is a broad spectrum skin tint with an SPF of 30. This is in the shade 375, and it's also called Strength. It does not contain zinc oxide, so it should not leave a white cast on you. And you do need to shake the bottle before you use it. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to apply this, and when I put it on, it looks like it's a direct match until it warms up on me. Now this was interesting because when I went to Ulta to purchase this, the salesperson did tell me that they were instructed to inform people that they should get a shade lighter because it does get darker. And so I actually thought I was getting a shade darker. I'm sorry, a shade lighter. The shade that I have is closer to my summer look once I do get a little darker and warmer in the summer. So hopefully the rest of my body will catch up with my face. So I'm just definitely gonna hold on to this because it just feels so good on my skin. It's very light. I think one coat or one coating of this on me would have been perfect, but I had to go whole hog. So this is Nothing to See Concealer. And this is in the shade 300, also called Shift. And the instructions are to dot it under the eye and tap until well blended. And so I'm going to use my fingers. And I just find that with this product, fingers work so well. And so just be gentle and light. You can use your ring finger if you want to. Look at that. It covers well. This is a matte, creamy concealer. Nothing to See Concealer, and it lives up to its name. I have dry skin, so I am loving this, folks. I am loving this. All right, next we're going to try the Win Beauty Lip and Cheek product. This is in the color Arrive. Now the product says that it is buildable, so I'm just going to dot that on my cheek and just tap it in. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look, 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 look. I love this. The color is buildable. So if you are used to using liquid cheek stains or anything that's a little bit more pigmented and thicker, this is not that product. This is light. You don't feel like you're wearing anything. And it just has a beautiful glow to it. The skin tint and the lip and cheek products are very hydrating. And that was the reason why I selected these products, because my skin needs hydration. I'm trying to keep those wrinkles back. So anything that's going to give me some moisture and help keep things smooth a little longer, I'm happy. So let's try it on the lips, and this is the first layer. So this is the color on the lips since this arrived. And I don't detect any smell. It feels very comfortable on my lips. It's not drying at all. When I press my lips together, there's no stickiness. So we're going to add another layer. The skin tint, the concealer, and the lip and cheek are not waterproof. And I actually feel like I'm giving my lips a treatment with this. This is so nice. So I'm noticing that it's very, very shiny. Not as shiny as I'm used to. So I'm going to mattify this a bit, not make it matte, but just tone down the shine. So I'm using a little Dermablend powder. And I like it because it's very light. I think it's a silica-based powder. It's finely milled. It's not gonna be cakey. And so it's letting me maintain the radiance without the oiliness. And so I'm fixing it with a little MAC Fix and Prime, and I'm going to use the soft side of my puff to kind of tap that primer in, just to keep everything in place. I see myself wearing this as an everyday type of makeup. I'm not sure if I would use it for a night on the town. So this is the makeup up close, under the makeup light. It's a winner for me, folks. Please like and subscribe.